What's up guys, in this video AK is going to show you how I fix this guitar stand. It's Hercules, very nice. I don't have any affiliation with Amazon or DeWalt, the tools I'm using. So Amazon sells it about $45 plus minus. So very nice. It's about 10 years old. So what's happened? Something with the plastic. That part usually holding it, this is a little bit longer, so hole here through the pin, it's always pushing it like this. Finally the whole thing like just fall apart. This is metal part is nice, the whole arm or whatever you say is plastic. This is older model, so I think they find out the issue and they redesign it completely, but it's still great unit. Sometimes when I did research on new one, try to figure out is a new issue. No, they use the same technology, no issues with adjustment, the height adjustment. But I heard one thing, if that not opening properly, okay, you just need a squeeze and keep it squeezing till it kind of fix, you know, because guitar here, maybe pushing it, but that's not big issue. The really issue is here. I'm in metric. That part, the screw with the knob is M6, so metric. And this is also M6. Found it on Amazon again. As usual, I got 2 each, so this is about like $6, and that thing also, so no big a deal. I don't want a new stand because this is just perfectly fine. Okay, so I keep another set just for the future. I'm not traveling anywhere, I just want to be, my guitar sits on the stand sturdy. So what I did, show you this side, clean that thing, make it kind of nice, smooth transition with a file, and make a hole through right there with this bit. So I started with this. Okay, you might have some experience, you know, but again, it's not big deal, it's all covered. So I saw the guy put just screw temporarily to, you know, to secure it, and put it on some forum, and it was a couple of pages of discussion. Yeah, it's good, but it's kind of not my style. Then I got this and make hole bigger and kind of a little bit make the other side is bigger as well. Okay, and I make hole through this arm rod. Oops, and that's it. So I can, if I need longer, I can make few holes, but I'm cool right now, so happy with this. And then with a file size like about 12 millimeters flat, just make that to looks better. Okay, and we'll just put it together. That's it. Okay, assembling very easy. If I'm going to someplace else, which is I'm not really planning, but just in case, you never know. And the other set of that screw and the nut, just in case if I miss it. Done. Rock solid. Make sure you're using protective glasses. 100%. This is it. Have fun, and thanks for watching.